To export a data visualization, navigate to All, Platform Analytics, Library, Data Visualizations, and open the one you want to export. Here on the Data Visualizations tab, we've bookmarked ours. It opens in the Visualization Designer. Expand the More Actions menu and choose Export. In the Export Visualization dialog box, select the file type, page format, and orientation options that will best display your exported visualization. File type options are PDF, PNG, JPEG, or Embed PNG. If you select Embed PNG, the image will be embedded directly in the email body, allowing you to edit the email around it. We'll use PDF. For those file types, page format can be letter, A4 or A3. If you're exporting a pivot table, you can choose Dynamic, which isn't shown here, to resize the visualization to fit the page being viewed. Note that this option is not available for list simple visualizations. Letter is what we want. For orientation, select Portrait or Landscape. We'll use Landscape for our map. Under Delivery, select how you want exported file delivered. For Download File, after the export is complete, a Download button will appear. The file, named after the visualization, will be saved to your default local destination. For Send File via email, you choose the users to receive the file. You can only select users on your instance, and security constraints may apply. Specify a subject and add a message if you like. When you're done, select Export.